Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will help you fix your backup camera. First, let's start with some simple checks. Begin by inspecting the camera lens for any dirt, mud, or debris that might be blocking the view. A quick wipe with a soft cloth can often resolve many issues. Next, confirm your vehicle is fully in reverse gear, as the camera only activates then. Also, ensure your display screen is working properly, showing other functions clearly. Moving on, let's examine the camera's wiring and fuses. You'll want to locate the wiring harness connected to your backup camera, often found near the trunk or tailgate. Carefully check for any signs of damage, fraying, or loose connections. A disconnected wire is a common culprit. Then, consult your owner's manual to find the fuse box and identify the fuse specifically for the backup camera. Replace any blown fuses with a new one of the exact same amperage. Now let's try a system reset. Sometimes, a simple software glitch can cause the camera to malfunction. You can often perform a soft reset of your vehicle's infotainment system by holding down the power button for about 10 seconds. Also, navigate through your display settings to ensure the backup camera feature is enabled. Occasionally, a pending software update might interfere, so check for those too. Always test the camera after each step. Finally, if the issue persists, it might be time for more advanced checks or professional assistance. You could test the camera's power supply using a multimeter to ensure it's receiving the correct voltage, typically around 12 volts. Visually inspect the camera unit itself for any cracks or physical damage. If these steps don't resolve the problem, it's best to consult a qualified automotive technician. They have specialized tools to diagnose and replace a potentially faulty camera unit.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.